That's a fuck no. That's a fuck no.
Watch ball, Steve.
That was wild.
Hey, y'all good? Everybody? We got 4 minutes. Time out, right?
We got fresh.
Listen. We have one person on every board. We need more boards. We need to get off the three. If you want to win this game, you have to get off the three.
They're hitting tough shots. They're hitting shots like that.
And we're trying to match
hitting tough shots.
But we're trying to match that. We have a bigger team. Let's use that and get down the court. We're young. Look at them, man. Come on. We're getting beat by 2 guys. Let's go.
Yeah, defense over there. 1, 2, 3.
Defense. Same lineup.
That one lefty, that dude's shot is weird.
But he's not really doing shit. He's point guard. He doesn't go for the whole one.
Nope.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna sub in. Right now.
Hey, Jordan. You two switch on defense with Jordan. Hey, Jordan. Give 47 and switch to Dorian.
Why are you throwing high? Like he was gonna catch it. Let's go, Jordan.
All you.
By yourself.
You all on your island.
I'm not gonna lie, he's cooking. That boy is cooking.
Keep fighting. Yup.
Pick him now.
Take off. We want to shoot.
You good, Jordan? Let's go. Eat for you when you want it. That's another point.
Come on, E. Come on.
Let's go.
Hey. Hey, listen. You ready?
Yeah.
Box, you guys down this side.
Box.
No, I don't care about offense.
Alright.
Time out.
Okay.
Time out.
Alright.
Stop shooting threes!
He doesn't have a left like that. Go, give me. He doesn't have a left. Good pass. Hey, get back! Take away his right. Push him left, sir. Thank you. My apologies, Dorian. I'm a little high right there.
Keep working.
Yes! Pass it up! Yeah. Pass it up. Move it. Stop shooting threes. Stop shooting threes. Get to the bucket.
If you just do a pump fake, it'd be straight.
What's score? We up 7. 7.
The buggy.
Oh, 5.
How much time left?
22 seconds.
Do not let them score here. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Go! Go! Shoot it! Shoot it!
You got it off.
Ah!
Big rebound. It ain't foul.